Today, I am reviewing the AlloyMove Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are looking for a cordless vacuum, the market is currently saturated with options that all promise the world. It feels like every month there is a new brand claiming the highest suction power or the longest battery life. I have spent a significant amount of time analyzing the specifications, user feedback, and real-world utility of the AlloyMove A05 Cordless Vacuum, and today I want to break down whether this machine actually holds up to the demands of a modern home. If you want to see the current pricing or explore the technical specs for yourself, you can find the links in the description below the video. Let us start with the core of any vacuum, which is the suction power. The AlloyMove A05 lists a 550-watt motor capable of producing 50 kilopascals of suction. In the world of cordless vacuums, 50 kilopascals is a very high number, often pushing into the territory of corded uprights. However, it is important to be realistic about what these numbers mean in practice. When you see a vacuum claiming this level of suction, it is almost certainly measured at the motor intake rather than at the floor head. While this is standard industry practice, it is a point of confusion for many buyers. In real-world usage, this means you're going to get excellent pickup on hard floors and decent performance on low-pile rugs. If you are cleaning high-pile shag carpets, you might find that the suction is so intense that the floor head gets stuck, or alternatively, that the airflow isn't quite enough to pull deep-set dirt out of dense fibers. The 4 adjustable suction levels are a smart inclusion because they allow you to dial back the intensity when you are dealing with delicate rugs or hardwood floors, which prevents the vacuum from suctioning itself to the floor. The battery life is another area where the AlloyMove A05 makes some bold claims. It advertises up to 80 minutes of runtime, which is impressive for a cordless stick vacuum. However, you have to remember that this 80-minute figure is almost certainly achieved on the lowest power setting without the motorized floor head attached. Once you switch to the maximum suction mode, which you will likely need for carpets or stubborn pet hair, that runtime is going to drop significantly, closer to the 25-minute mark mentioned in the specs. For most people, 25 minutes is enough to do a quick pass of a living room or a kitchen, but if you have a larger house with a lot of carpet, you're going to be racing against the clock. The fact that the battery is removable is a huge advantage. If you find yourself constantly running out of power, buying a spare battery is a much more practical solution than having to buy a second vacuum. This modularity is a sign of a well-thought-out design, as it extends the lifespan of the entire unit. If the battery dies in 2 years, you just replace the battery, not the whole machine. The self-standing feature is something that is often overlooked until you actually have to use it. A lot of stick vacuums on the market are top-heavy and require you to lean them against a wall, where they inevitably slip and crash to the floor. The A05 is designed to stand on its own, which is a massive quality-of-life improvement. Whether you are moving a chair to vacuum underneath it or you need to answer the door, being able to just park the vacuum upright right where you are standing makes the chore feel much less cumbersome. The wall-mount charging station is a nice touch, but the fact that it can stand independently means you aren't strictly tethered to the wall mount for storage. The floor brush design is where I think the AlloyMove A05 is trying to compete with the big names like Dyson or Shark. The V-shaped anti-tangle roller is a staple feature now, and for a good reason. If you have long hair or pets, you know the frustration of having to take a pair of scissors to your vacuum brush every week to cut away tangled hair. The comb-like structure inside the head is designed to prevent this, and while no vacuum is truly immune to hair tangles, this design definitely reduces the frequency of maintenance. The green LED light is another feature that has become very popular recently. It might seem like a gimmick at first, but once you use a vacuum with a green light on a dusty floor, you will never want to go back to a standard LED. The green light reveals dust and hair that you simply cannot see with the naked eye, or even with standard white LEDs. It makes the cleaning process much more satisfying because you can actually see the path of cleanliness you are creating. The filtration system is another critical point. A 99.99% filtration rate is the industry standard for a good HEPA-style filter. It is essential for anyone with allergies or pets. The multi-cone filter design is meant to keep the suction consistent as the bin fills up. One of the biggest complaints with cheaper cordless vacuums is that they lose suction the moment the dust bin starts to get full. By using a multi-cone system, the A05 tries to keep the airflow path clear. You still need to be diligent about cleaning these filters, though. If you neglect the filter, you will notice a drop in performance, regardless of how powerful the motor is. The 1.5-liter dust bin is quite large for a stick vacuum, which means fewer trips to the trash can, but it also means the vacuum is going to be slightly bulkier. Now, let us talk about who this vacuum is for, and who should probably look elsewhere. This vacuum is perfect for someone living in a medium-sized apartment or a house with a mix of hard floors and low-pile carpets. If you are a pet owner, the combination of the high suction and the anti-tangle brush will make your daily cleaning routine much easier. It is also a great choice for someone who wants the convenience of a cordless unit but does not want to pay the premium prices associated with the major luxury brands. The price-to-performance ratio here is really the selling point. You are getting a lot of modern features, like the green light, the self-standing body, and the high-capacity battery, at a price point that is very competitive. However, there are definitely people who should avoid this product. If you have a massive house with deep, high-pile carpet in every room, you might find that this vacuum struggles to keep up. Stick vacuums, even the powerful ones like the A05, generally do not have the deep cleaning agitation power of a heavy-duty corded upright vacuum. If your home is 3,000 square feet of wall-to-wall shag carpet, you will likely find the battery life and the physical limitations of the floor head to be frustrating. Also, if you are looking for a vacuum that will last 10 years without any maintenance, you might want to look at commercial-grade machines. The A05 is a consumer-grade product, and while it has a good warranty, it is built with plastic components that are meant to be lightweight and portable, not indestructible. One thing that might disappoint some users is the build quality relative to the most expensive vacuums on the market. When you hold a vacuum that costs 3 or 4 times as much, you can feel the difference in the plastics, the tightness of the hinges, and the tactile feel of the buttons. The AlloyMove A05 feels functional and sturdy enough for daily use, but it does not have that premium, dense feel. The buttons and the latch for the dustbin are functional, but you shouldn't expect the same level of refinement you would get from a luxury appliance brand. If you are the type of person who values build quality above all else, you might find the fit and finish to be just average. Another point of contention is the charging time. 4 hours for a full charge is a standard amount of time for a battery of this size, but it does mean that if you run the battery completely dead in the middle of a major cleaning project, you are out of luck for the rest of the day, unless you have a second battery. This is why I think the option to buy spare batteries is so important. If you are planning on using this as your primary and only vacuum for a large home, I would strongly suggest picking up that extra battery at the same time. It turns a potential frustration into a non-issue. The maintenance aspect is something I want to emphasize. A lot of people buy a vacuum, use it for 6 months, and then complain that it has lost suction. Almost every time, this is because the filter is clogged with fine dust or the roller brush is wrapped in hair that has built up over time. With the A05, you need to commit to washing the filter and letting it dry completely, and checking the roller brush every few weeks. Because the A05 uses a multi-cone filtration system, those cones can collect dust over time, and if you don't keep them clean, the airflow will restrict. This is not a knock against this specific vacuum. It is a reality for all modern stick vacuums. If you are the type of person who hates performing maintenance on your appliances, you are going to be disappointed by any stick vacuum you buy. Let us discuss the noise level. Most 550-watt motors are not quiet. You should expect this vacuum to be fairly loud, especially when it is running on the max suction setting. If you have sensitive ears, or if you are trying to clean while someone else is watching television, you might find it to be a bit disruptive. The trade-off is the power, but it is worth noting if you are particularly sensitive to noise. The ergonomic design is another factor that is often subjective. The thumb-operated controls are convenient because you don't have to hold a trigger down the entire time you are vacuuming. Some people prefer a trigger because it saves battery life by only turning the vacuum on when you are actually moving, but a thumb switch is usually more comfortable for long cleaning sessions. The weight distribution of the A05 is decent, but because the motor and the bin are at the top near the handle, you will feel the weight in your wrist after a while. This is common for this form factor, but it is something to consider if you have wrist or shoulder issues. When we consider the value proposition, it is hard to ignore the competitive landscape. You are getting a lot of features: the green LED, the high suction, the removable battery, the wall mount, and the self-standing design, all bundled together. If you were to buy a vacuum from a legacy brand that offered every single one of these specific features, you would likely be paying a significant premium. The AlloyMove A05 is clearly targeting the best bang for your buck segment of the market. It provides a level of performance that is more than sufficient for the average household, and it includes the quality of life features that make the chore of vacuuming actually feel like less of a chore. One of the things that stands out in the provided details is the customer service and warranty policy. A 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support is quite generous for a product in this price range. Many companies in this space disappear or make it impossible to reach them, so having a brand that explicitly highlights its support structure is a positive sign. Of course, the real test is how they handle a claim if something goes wrong, but having that support window is a good safety net for the consumer. It suggests that they are confident enough in their product to stand behind it for 2 years. I also want to touch on the green light technology again. If you haven't used it, it is genuinely a game changer for cleaning. You will see dust on your hardwood floors that you never knew was there. It can be a little bit depressing to see how much dust actually accumulates, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment because you can see exactly where you have cleaned and where you haven't. It makes the job much more thorough. For people who are detail-oriented, this is probably the single best feature of the A05. Regarding the dustbin, the one-touch emptying mechanism is designed to keep your hands clean. This is standard now, but it is implemented well here. You press a button, the bottom of the bin swings open, and the debris falls out. However, if you're vacuuming up pet hair, you might find that the hair gets stuck at the top of the bin and doesn't fall out cleanly. This is a common issue with almost all bagless vacuums. You might occasionally need to reach in with a small tool or your hand to pull out a clump of hair. This is just a reality of the physics involved, so don't expect it to be perfectly touchless every single time. In terms of assembly and setup, the A05 is designed to be user-friendly. Most people will have it out of the box and assembled in under 5 minutes. The wall mount is straightforward to install, provided you have a drill and a level. If you are renting and can't drill into the walls, the fact that the vacuum is self-standing is a huge benefit because you don't actually need to use the wall mount. You can just plug the charger directly into the battery or the unit while it is standing in a corner or a closet. One final piece of advice for anyone considering the A05. Look at your own home and be honest about the surfaces you have. If you have mostly hard floors, this vacuum will perform exceptionally well. It will glide, the green light will show you everything, and the battery will last a long time on the lower settings. If you have mixed surfaces, you will want to play with the suction settings to find the balance between cleaning power and battery efficiency. If your home is 90% carpet, you might find yourself using the max setting most of the time, which will require you to be more aware of your battery usage. Overall, the AlloyMove A05 is a solid, feature-rich, and practical vacuum for the average home. It isn't trying to be the most expensive luxury item on the market, and it isn't trying to be a cheap, disposable tool either. It sits firmly in that middle ground where most people will find it to be a reliable partner for their weekly cleaning. It covers all the bases: suction, runtime, filtration, and convenience, and it does so at a price point that makes it accessible. If you are looking for a significant upgrade from an old corded vacuum or a failing cheap cordless unit, the A05 is worth a look. Just remember to keep up with the filter maintenance, be realistic about the battery life on the highest settings, and enjoy the satisfaction of seeing exactly what you are cleaning with that green light. If you want to check out the current pricing or look at the full list of technical specifications, remember to check the links in the description below the video. It is always a good idea to see if there are any current promotions or discounts available before you make your final decision. Given the feature set and the warranty coverage, it is a well-rounded option that addresses most of the common pain points that people experience with cordless vacuums. Whether you are dealing with pet hair, hardwood dust, or just general day-to-day messes, this machine is designed to handle it with a level of efficiency that makes it a very practical addition to any cleaning cupboard. It is a no-nonsense approach to home maintenance that focuses on delivering the most important features to the user without unnecessary bloat. If you are the type of person who values function over brand name, the A05 is likely to satisfy your needs for a long time to come. Just treat the filters well, keep the brush head clear, and you'll get the most out of your investment. It is a capable, well-designed tool that makes a chore that everyone hates just a little bit easier to manage. If you have been on the fence about switching to a cordless system, this is the kind of mid-range, high-performance unit that makes the transition seamless and satisfying. It is not going to change your life, but it will definitely make your floors cleaner with less effort, and sometimes that is exactly what you need. Thank you for listening to this breakdown, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision for your home. Remember to check those links in the description if you want to dive deeper into the details. Happy cleaning!